Your 2005-2009 Mini Cooper key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, locate the release button or slot on the back of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully open the case, avoiding cracks. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity. Reassemble the fob and test to ensure it locks/unlocks your car. Standard batteries last 2 to 3 years. Rechargeable CR2032 batteries are an option. If your key fob isn't working after a battery replacement, double-check the battery's polarity and that the contacts are clean. Static electricity can damage the fob's electronics, so ground yourself before starting. Key fobs from this era are prone to battery drain due to age. If the fob still doesn't work, you may need to have it reprogrammed at a mini dealership, which can cost $50 to $100. Avoid cheap, knockoff batteries, as they can leak and corrode the contacts. Online tutorials from sources like YouTube channels and mini forums can offer visual guidance. Always handle with care to prevent damage to the case, which could require a costly replacement.